Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make an apps use GPU on your Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, right click on your start menu, and this is going to pump up. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to settings. So click on settings and it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to the system right here. Click on system. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then come down below right here where you have graphics settings. So click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure that by default you have this to be selected as desktop app. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on browse. Then you'll be taken to all the apps you have on your PC. Next thing you need to do is to actually select the app that you would like to run on your GPU. So I'm going to simply select Adobe Illustrator. Then I will simply come down below right here and click on Add. And this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on Options. And right here, let Windows decide Power Savings, High Performance. Select High Performance. Then come down below right here and hit on Save. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you